Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I provide you the review of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. First, look at the overview of the product. Like, these are the features provided by this product. 4000 PA powerful suction fan blower vacuum, thus 10 debris in one go. Stronger fan blower suction power allow you to clean your home more efficiently. With the 4000 PA fan blower suction power, your daily cleaning needs can be met easily. The 4 suction power settings allow you to clear away dust, hair, and large particles in one go. 4 speed available on this product. Up to 4 hours of battery life, easily handle large homes. 5200 mAh nominal battery capacity, last up to 2 hours in standard mode, offering you greater peace of mind. The robot is capable of cleaning over 200 meters area with one pass in standard mode, more than enough to handle large rooms. New mode stimulating manual mopping efficiently removes stains, achieving a higher standard of cleaning. Pressure mopping at constant moisture effectively removes stains. 4 times the cleaning power. The dual mop pads rotate at high speed to stimulate the effect of manual pressure moppings, greatly improve the cleaning power and efficiently remove wet, dry and other stains. Double layer composite mop pads, stronger water absorption and effective removal of stains. As you can see, mop pads made of woven fabrics, 80% polyester plus 20% modified polypropylene fiber, retain moisture eventually. Powerful cleaning performance efficiently remove floor stains when mopping and can effectively protect floor surfaces throughout the house. So these are the overviews of the product. Let's look at the review of the product. As you can see in the screen, these are the product's reviews. While only one review is provided on the official MI website of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus as of now. And this is the most recent review. And this is the 100% positive review as you can see on the screen. So make a good research related to this product and read the independent reviews carefully. This is an amazing product, and if you buy this product, I provide the link in description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.